shade Vixen. And this just reminds me of a sexy nude daytime lip. And with these lips liners, I want you guys to make sure that you get every line of your lip. Just even this like little difficult part right here, like this. And then making sure we form that cupid's bow. We all have a cupid's bow, so make sure that you outline it. And see, my lips are perfect, so it kind of just makes the lip liner glide on easily. And then I take the matching liquid lipstick. And see, the thing I love about my lip kits, it's not that drying matte. It's just that smooth, creamy lipstick. So, and this is just like a real wood smoky Vixen color. It's just like really nighttime, beautiful lipstick. Mwah. But yeah.